trying Cardi B's hair growth mask for the very first time. Sorry, I forgot to get pictures of my hair result.
Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me.
Hey, what's good? What's up? It's your girl, Pretty Key, or aka Lycium Key, and I'm back again with another video for you guys today. Today I will be trying out Cardi B's hair mask on my hair today. So I basically picked my hair out last night and I just put it in my bonnet. Obviously you guys see my bonnet is nowhere to be found. There she is, not on my head. Anyway, I'm just gonna have to like go in and kind of pick my hair out and give you guys an update and show you how I'm gonna make this mask and how I'm gonna apply it on my head. I decided to try out Cardi B hair mask because I felt like after I took down, my hair was dry and brittle and it was breaking off. But anyway, thank you guys for coming to my channel, so enjoy.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Crazy right now.
I look this so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2, 3 times. I don't understand just how your love can do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now.
Okay, alright, so I already made the hair mask and this is what I have left after. Y'all see what happened last clip. The hair mask, I'm just going to split my head in 4 parts, and I'm just going to apply the hair mask to my head. And then I'm going to get in the shower and wash it out, put some conditioner in my head. I'm going to show you guys how the hair mask looks after I get out the shower, and then I'm going to put conditioner, wash my hair out with conditioner and see how it looks after, so my curls can be popping and popping. This is how my hair looks after I took down my butterfly locks, and I was thinking about doing a story time about that, but I decided not to. I'm just going to insert pictures and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so I was low-key stretching it, but when I got my hair done, she never finished braiding the ends of my hair, so the ends of my hair was left out from the braid, and my hair was really dry. But this is how dry.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So take your spot.
It feels so moist. Listen to this. You like those sounds? Is that a stain?
History in the making. Part 2. So crazy right now.
I look this so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how your love can do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so
I've been history in the making. Part 2. So crazy right now.
I look this so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call
This
your
is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed trying this hair mask out on my hair. Unfortunately, I didn't get any pictures after getting out the shower. I don't think this is a good idea. Oh, this will be a good thumbnail, right? Huh? Just kidding. You got your
To say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Can you get the
Would
picture
you
of this?
date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.
Getting everywhere.
Just one thing
Can you see it on top of my head?
Mm-hmm.
because I can see.
Okay, then.
Is this the one?
No, it's
Turn it back up.
okay.
I gotta show my dance. Is it on?
Mm-hmm.